Okay, Pops, so you're in the dashboard.
Yes.
Just created your Auto Advocate account.
Yes.
What's the first thing you should be doing? Probably going to the step-by-step buying guide, right?
Well, there must be a reason it's called the step-by-step buying guide. It's because, well, it'll walk you step by step what you're going to need to do. And the good part for customers out there, not customers, community members out there, is that it's, well, just 4 steps.
Yes. So if you're in the market to buy a car,
Yes.
new car, used car, use
Yeah.
the step-by-step buying guide. First step in that buying
Even
guide.
a toddler could probably get in 4 steps before they fall.
First step in the buying guide is market conditions. Use
Yes.
one of our market price reports. Take a VIN.
Yes.
So you can either use the browser extension or copy and paste a VIN. Run it in the market price
report so you can see how long that vehicle's been sitting on the dealer's lot, so you can see what the average number of days is to sell that type of vehicle based on that particular market.
Heck, you even see Ray's recommendation, your recommendation, the negotiability score, the similar vehicles in the area as
All that
well.
from me.
Then, once you've honed in on a particular vehicle,
Yes.
which seriously, go to the bottom, the similar vehicles table is super helpful to find
Yes.
like ones with higher negotiability. Then use the email templates, right?
Yeah, that I sat down and actually wrote in my spare time, of which I have none, and I put together these email templates for you to be able to use so that you can contact dealers and hopefully find about maybe 30% of the dealers you contact will actually get back to you.
So on the email templates, if we have the dealer's contact info, we'll give it to you right there,
Yes,
and we'll
you can
pre-fill
cut
the
and
email.
paste and-
Exactly.
Cool.
Then, if you have a trade-in, we partnered with Black Book.
Yes, we did.
So you can actually get the dealer's trade-in value as well.
Yes, and Black Book is the book that most dealerships rely on when it comes to determining what a used car's value is, even in these crazy times in which we live.
Okay, and then after you've gotten your trade-in valuation, you've negotiated your out-the-door price with the dealership, aka use the OTD calculator we have as well. Then, if you're interested in it, get a vehicle protection or an extended warranty or a vehicle service contract quote. We partnered with AUL Corporation, who many dealerships work with, many OEMs work with. We make $500 on those quotes. Use them as leverage if you negotiate at the dealership.
Absolutely. Even if you don't buy from us, if you can use it to get a better price from the dealership, if you want to roll it into your loan, you'll be able to do that.
And that's about it. That's what you got here at your fingertips. Plus your 40 plus years of experience, all the content, all the guides, all that fun stuff.
Yes, that I share with everybody out there.
Hey, well, thanks for doing this, Pops.
It's my pleasure, Handsome. Look forward to doing another one sometime soon.
Well, we will probably need to update this getting started video again in a couple months. Yes.
I'll be here for you.
Fingers crossed.